Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Homeopathy Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on one of the important topics related to men. This problem is for both boys and men. Even boys at the age of 20 comes to me with these problems, and men at the age of 90 and in between, especially middle-aged men who want to have a second innings or who are going for the second marriage are mostly troubled by this. This is male sexual dysfunction. They have some problems with sexual activity. This is the scenario now. In most of the cases, what happens is they are in a dilemma, means they don't know whether they have sexual problem or not. If they are confirmed that they have a sexual problem, they can go with the treatment. If they are confirmed they don't have sexual problem, they can lead a normal life. But most of them have a dilemma that whether they have or they don't have. And once it is confirmed that they have a sexual problem and what type of sexual problem it is, we will now discuss in depth whether a person have a sexual dysfunction or a sexual problem or not. If we have, what type of problem is it? There are four varieties of sexual problems. You have to understand each and every problem and decide whether you have it or not. If you have, what type of sexual problem is it? You are going to pinpoint it now. Many of you are afraid or sad that you are not able to satisfy your partner or you are not satisfied with your sexual activity. So now we will completely understand sexual problems in men, and you are going to pinpoint if you have a problem, what kind of problem it is, or whether you have a problem or not. Let's dive into it deeply. The topic is male sexual dysfunction. It is commonly known as male sexual problem in a simple language. Now we will look deeply into it. What are all the various types of male sexual dysfunction or male sexual problems? First, what is sexual dysfunction? Sexual dysfunction is simple. When you or your partner is not satisfied or not happy with your sexual activity or a men's sexual activity, this is known as sexual dysfunction or sexual problem. Once you know that you are not satisfied or your partner is not satisfied, there are four types where this can happen. First one is hypoactive sexual desire dysfunction. It is simple. When there is no desire for you to initiate the sexual activity, or when your partner is trying to stimulate you, there is no response from you, or you are not at all initiating the sexual activity, or even though if you initiate, the frequency has dropped. Maybe previously you are initiating every day, after that it has come to alternate days, after that 1 week, after that 1 month, after that every 6 months or 1 year. The frequency is decreasing or there is no activity at all. Even with your spontaneous stimulus, means there is no activity initiated by yourself or you are not responding to your partner's sexual advancements. All these come under sexual desire dysfunction, or you don't have the desire to have sex. This is the first type of problem men face. And understanding the second type of problem, it is known as sexual arousal dysfunction. Sexual arousal dysfunction happens in men, and it is commonly known as sexual erectile dysfunction or erectile dysfunction in common. How you know that you have erectile dysfunction? First one is when the penis is not increasing in length or increasing in thickness, and the rigidity or hardness of the penis is not at all there, or even though if it is there, it is not sufficient to complete the sexual activity, or it is becoming flaccid, or the erection is decreasing in the middle of the sexual activity. All these known as sexual erectile dysfunction or sexual arousal dysfunction in common. So it is very simple. When you want to complete the sexual activity, you are not able to maintain sufficient length of the penis or thickness of the penis or rigidity or hardness of the penis to complete the sexual activity, or you don't have proper erections even to start the sexual activity. All this comes under sexual arousal dysfunction. This is a second type of dysfunction or second type of problem men are facing. And the next one is orgasmic dysfunction. Orgasmic dysfunction is very simple. When men ejaculate or when men send out their semen outside, they will have a sweet pain or they will have a sexual satisfaction or a sexual happiness or the pleasure they are going to get from the sexual activity at the end of their sexual activity before ejaculation or sending the semen out. If you have any problem, you are not able to experience that sexual pleasure, that is known as orgasmic dysfunction or anorgasmia. These are third type of sexual problem that men are going to face. And the final one and the last one is ejaculatory dysfunction. Ejaculation is simple, sending out the semen out at the end of sexual activity. At the time you get severe pain or sweet pain that causes sexual orgasm. If it is delayed or when there is early ejaculation, it means when the semen is coming out of your urethra before you wanted or before your partner wanted, it is considered as early ejaculation or premature ejaculation in common language. And if the semen is not coming out after your sexual desire, or it is taking long time for you to ejaculate, because of this you and your partner are not happy because it is delayed, this is also known as ejaculatory dysfunction. Ejaculatory dysfunction is two types, one is premature and one is delayed. Both are considered as sexual problem, and this is the fourth type of sexual problem men are going to face. If you have any of these four problems, it is considered as sexual problem. If you have sexual problem, now you can pinpoint whether it is desire dysfunction, arousal dysfunction, orgasmic dysfunction, or ejaculatory dysfunction. If you have any problems with sexual activity, homeopathy is the best treatment for you. With homeopathic treatment, if you have any sexual problem, it can be completely cured or it can be prevented from occurring again. All this is without any side effect. Homeopathy is completely safe, it will not have even single side effect, and it is very effective when you compare to any other treatment. You take Ayurveda, you take Unani, you take Siddha, you take allopathy or a conventional medicine or the medicine you take online. It is more efficient than all these medicines which are available to you, and it is highly safe and it is timely. It is not that it is delayed, it is quick and it is timely depending on your disease. Homeopathy is the best treatment for your sexual problems. At Fidicus Homeopathy, you have the best doctors. They are passionate, qualified, knowledgeable, experienced, competent, compassionate, and they are also techy. Now we are doing much advanced things in homeopathy using technology. And Fidicus Homeopathy uses high quality drug devices and procedures. Fidicus Homeopathy uses only high quality medicine or best in segment medicine. You get the medicines from the best pharmaceutical company available in the world. And coming to the infrastructure, Fidicus Homeopathy doctors uses latest infrastructure, and this is the first homeopathic clinic where we are using artificial intelligence to take care of the patients. At Fidicus Homeopathy, there are two types of consultation, online consultation and in-person consultation. It is online consultation. You have audio or video, whatever you prefer. If you have any tests that are there, you can share on the online. If any further investigations are required, we will let you know. You can get them done locally and send it to us. Based on that, treatment will be started and medicines will be sent to your doorsteps wherever you are in the world. If you are in India, it takes 3 working days. If it is US, it takes 4 working days. If it is any other country other than India, it takes 5 business days. And coming to the in-person treatment, you can directly come and talk to our doctors, inquire about the nearest branch and take the appointment. Before coming, you can reach out to the doctors and consult the doctors in person. Fidicus Homeopathy, you can contact us at www.fidicus.com, or you can reach us on +91 is a country code 7997101303. Fidicus Homeopathy is the best for you. You have highest chance of health. We have highest success for any men's problem, and also the treatment is transparent. Personal care is given at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now you have understood whether you have a sexual problem or not. If you have a sexual problem, what type of sexual problem is it? Now, if you still have any questions, get back to me. Thank you.